onto the cylinder and piston. This cylinder casting is really nice. I was quite impressed by this, actually. I think Steve told me this is a chrome bore. It does look to be a chrome bore. And, I mean, it is a really nice looking cylinder. I was super impressed by this. This is not something that you see a lot on clone saws. This is definitely on par with some OEM stuff. You look up through all the transfer ports and everything, they're super clean, super well casted. You can see in the intake port, it is a really nice looking intake port. I've just been really impressed by this all the way around. You can see on the exhaust side, she's pretty good looking. Then onto the piston. I think this is a 56 mil bore, so probably a stock bore size. The wrist pin and its bore are really nice and tight. There is zero slop in this thing. And the wrist pin's a really nice looking part. And I mean, there's on the cylinder and piston both, there was no weird flashing or anything hanging out for anything to catch up on. Everything's been pretty thorough about these. I've been pretty impressed by them.